What happened? I swear I left the mech right here. Hello, this is an update for Marduk. I'm not doing a time-lapse video because of some funky things going on with the landlady and all that sort of stuff, so couldn't really set up a camera to do a time-lapse. But I can show you the results. I've only got the bottom half to disassemble. Probably in the future I'm going to get a trailer and just wheel this onto it. That way I can just have the bottom half connected to the van and a big pile of stuff in the van, which I'll show you in a sec. And I guess I'll get down from here. Yeah. One of the good things about the mech is all the battery stuff. It isn't actually in the hips, it's up in the bottom of the torso. So I'll just pick up the camera. And you can see the bottom half is intact. I've disconnected the snowblower. I'm going to have to probably disassemble that even further to put it in the van. And here's that tension arm I was talking about for the snowblower. You can see it's got a lot of give because it's not connected in there, only connected by one bolt. So I'm going to have to refigure that when I reassemble Marduk. And also probably work on some of these bolts because you can see it's getting kind of wonky angles and stuff, and this strut is nearly at a breaking point, so it's probably a good thing I'm doing this. And take these little arms off and we can take a peek inside the junk pile that is currently Marduk. Look at all those bits. You can see arms and heads and various pieces you probably never even knew were in there. And smushed on the front is the door. So you can kind of tell there's actually a lot of empty space inside of Marduk, and that's what makes it so lightweight and handy. There's the shoulder, another arm over there. This right here is actually the cockpit's bottom. Right there you can see a little box shape where you put your feet, which means the bottom half of the cockpit is here, and the top half where you put your bum is right about here. The chair and cushion and stuff is taken off, of course. So, I guess that'll be all for today. Nothing too exciting. Piles of crap. And of course, standing on the remains of the mech. I'm probably going to be taking this back to the new place tomorrow. Probably won't be doing a video about that, but maybe might be doing something fun about making the cockpit look a little neater as I reassemble Marduk in the future. And I'm also thinking about building a giant-ass crane so I can just lift Marduk's torso off and maybe just have like this part on a trailer and then the torso on the back half of the trailer with just the arms removed. That way I don't have to disassemble the entire torso. But that would also mean I'd have to figure out some logistics if I wanted to transport a second giant robot for a fight. But that's something I'd have to look into in the future. I mean, it's like $300 for a nice foldable trailer from Harbor Freight. So, you know, get a little more monies. That might be something to do in the future. And I got an email from the local makerspace. Well, local, they're about a half hour south from here. But at my new place, it'll be about 2 hours south because I'm going about an hour and a half north. So that's going to be a little bit of a fun to try to figure out. They really want me to do the teaching about building giant robots after work hours, you know, like 5:30 to 9, which would be okay if it was a Friday night, but it's a Thursday night. So maybe I'll have to talk to them, see if they can have some different hours to do my shtick. But anyway, nothing too exciting, just piles of crap today, but should be more exciting videos in the future. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe and play with your mech's feet today. Bye bye.